Industrial Arts Staff Room Kitchen Renovation. Presented by G3 Architectural Enterprises. The Sydney Boys High School Industrial Arts Staff Room has a kitchenette that is outdated and has been worn down over the years. It has also previously experienced a major water leakage which has caused water damage to several cabinets. The current kitchenette also has a lack of storage space and benchtop space, causing it to get very messy and unorganized. Our new design is modern and spacious, which meets the client's wants and needs, while staying within the budget. Our client has specifically requested for several musts that include notice board space for important information such as medical notes and personal photos, storage for cutlery so they can have an organized system separating dishes, cups, and utensils. Our client also requested storage for stationery that does not intrude with the kitchen space and access to hot and cold water so staff can enjoy their favorite hot and cold beverages. After interviews and surveys, we have discovered that our client wants a glossy white modern kitchen design and a laminate kitchen benchtop to create a functional but also aesthetically pleasing kitchenette. There were several limitations in this project, including the plumbing corner, which we had to factor in the design of the kitchenette to provide access through the bottom cabinetry. The rear single brick wall is advised to be non-load bearing, thus only one wall can support wall cabinetry. Our research started with surveying our clients so we could get a general idea of what the industrial arts staff preferred for the new kitchen design. We concluded that a modern style with a laminate kitchen benchtop is preferred. We researched kitchen ergonomics such as a kitchen triangle so multiple staff members can be using the kitchen at once. Australian kitchen standards was also used to aid in our measurements for the design. The on-site inspection was essential in getting the extreme boundaries and measurements of the kitchenette, and the budget costing of everything including labor to stay within the budget of $6,000. The next step of our kitchenette project was the concept development. We had every member of the group design 3 rough concepts and then refine them into one concept. Afterwards, we came together to discuss the strengths and weaknesses of each design and created a final design. Our final design involved an L-shaped kitchen benchtop which allowed for more benchtop space and storage space. We also relocated the fridge in our design to improve the kitchen triangle ergonomics. We also made sure that the drain board of the sink was under the zip water heater to catch any water leakage. The next step of the project was virtual reality testing. During this phase, we were able to enter in our CAD model and find errors that we would not see on the CAD. This involved bench and cabinet heights, placement of kitchen appliance, and checking the measurements to create an accurate one-to-one model. We used the IKEA method system to find the different cabinets that were used in our design. We were also able to implement dynamic components into the CAD and test them using VR. Through the use of dynamic components, we were able to open up cabinet doors and visualize the angle of cabinet doors and the clearance needed. Our final technical drawings. Floor plan by Andrew Lee. First elevation by Allan Tan. Second elevation by Jonathan Han. Pictorial by Frederick Huang. We were able to meet all the objectives apart from one. Here at G3 Architectural Enterprises, we were able to transform this outdated and run-down kitchen into a modern, aesthetically pleasing, and a universal design to satisfy our clients' needs. Thank you for taking the time to listen to our presentation, and if you have any questions, feel free to contact us by emailing g3architecture@gmail.com.